right, we got some breaking news out of the United States Supreme Court as it pertains to cannabis and firearms laws. My name is Derek Connor. I'm an attorney at the law firm of Connor & Connor, and as most of you probably know, I'm a big supporter of cannabis law and reform of cannabis laws. I'm also a big supporter of the Second Amendment. I'm a gun owner. I've always been a gun owner. I enjoy firearms, and unfortunately, for a long time, federal law has said that firearms and cannabis do not mix. Well, the opinion in United States versus Hamani has slightly changed that. The opinion was delivered by Gorsuch. Basically, Mr. Hamani was found to be in possession of a firearm while admitting to be a kind of casual user of marijuana. He was charged under 922G of United States federal law, and the question before the court basically was whether or not 922G3 and G1 were constitutional, whether or not being a casual user of marijuana would be grounds to deprive you of your Second Amendment rights. Haven't gotten through the entire opinion yet. There's some concurring opinions by Thomas and Jackson and Alito, which Kagan joined, so quite a bit to digest here. But the gist of this case is, and it's important to note that it is narrow, and the court even says the court's decision is narrow. It does not address the efforts to ban addicts or those presently intoxicated from possessing a firearm. Other prophylactic laws Congress may adopt after determining that users of a particular drug pose a special risk of using firearms, or 922G1's provision of disarming individuals convicted of felonies, or whether the government could bring prosecution under 922G3, accompanied by individualized proof that defendant's drug use renders him a danger to himself or others. So, basically, this opinion is narrow, but it does seem to state that if you are a casual user of marijuana, that in and of itself is not enough to deprive you of your Second Amendment rights under the United States Constitution. Pretty big deal, pretty big case. Thank you, and have a great day.